Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to do the muzzle flash for our weapon for each of our three weapons, and we're going to modify the sound as well. So as you can see here, we can take the assault rifle, and when we shoot we have the muzzle flash. Now we're going to drop that on the ground. I'm going to take the shotgun, same thing, we have the muzzle flash and we have the shooting animation, and we have the same thing for the sniper rifle. So we're going to see exactly how to do this. Back to our project. So we're going to go to the weapon master class. And in the weapon master class, we're going to make our way to number 2 when we are firing. So you should have something like this. So it will be the second one right here. And when we're shooting, we're using ammunition. And if we have no more ammunition, it's going to be true and go to reload. So here on false, it means that we do have enough ammunition. So we're going to do the little code that we have to do here. So we're just going to drag from it and we're going to search for play anim. And I'm going to take the one with the first person gun because we want to target the skeleton of our weapon. So we're going to select this one. And the animation here, it's need to be the animation in relation to the weapon that we have in our hand. So here under the animation section, we're going to have to create a new variable. So create new variable, and we're going to call this weapon anim montage. And the search here for the value, not the value, but the type that we need, we're going to search for montage. So just type montage and take the anim montage, and it's going to be an object reference. And now when it's done, we can take this and just drag it to our board, do a get, and plug that right to our new animation here. And we can compile. So now if we do have enough bullets, it's going to play that animation that we're going to select in each of our weapon on the weapon itself. So the second step will be to go to our weapon. So we're going to go to my stuff and items and go to guns, and we're going to open our assault rifle. And here under assault rifle, we have the weapon animation montage. So now we're going to have to select the animation montage. I have it here, but you should probably not have it. So I'm going to do exactly, I'm going to show you how to do this. And here the sound, well, we're not going to use that sound anymore. So we can just click and clear the sound because we're not going to use this one. We're going to use the one that come with the animation. Okay, so we're gonna go to the animation so you can see, but first I'm just gonna open the shotgun and the sniper rifle so to get ready. Now I'm gonna go down and go to my military weapon dark, and that pack is coming with some animation already in it. So we're gonna go to the animation folder, and here we have the animation for the sniper rifle, the rifle, and the shotgun. So what I did, you click on one, like the fire rifle, and we're going to create a montage by right clicking on it and create an anim montage. It's going to make you another with the same name but just a blue line instead of green, and we're going to repeat the same process for the shotgun and the sniper rifle by right clicking, create an anim montage, and do the same thing with the sniper rifle. So if you open the fire rifle, which is our assault rifle, you should have the the assault rifle, and you can see here on notify you have the MuzzleFlash that is already here. So you can put your own MuzzleFlash if you have another one that you would like to try. So basically that's a particle system, and you have a couple that you can switch. For example, if I take the explosion, when it's gonna fire, it's gonna play the explosion instead, as you can see here, right? So instead of the explosion, obviously I'm gonna go back to the original one, which was the what was it again? The assault rifle muzzle flash. And you can see here it's attached to the socket muzzle flash that is right here, right? So that's important. If you click on it, it's gonna play the animation right there. If you have other things that you want to do with your weapon, it's here, and you can just right click on track and add a new track if you want to add other stuff. And here on the second trash, you have the sound. Remember, we were using that sound directly to our weapon. It's no longer necessary because it's included in the animation. So we're going to use this instead. So we can close this because we're not going to use it anymore. So I'm just going to save all and close that. So now we're going to go to our assault rifle, and here under weapon animation montage, we're just going to select the fire rifle, and we can make sure that we are removing our sound here. We're going to compile and we're going to do the same thing with the shotgun. We're going to go to the weapon animation montage, get our shotgun, remove the sound here, and same thing with the sniper rifle, and remove the sound, compile for the shotgun and the sniper rifle. So now if we go back, technically everything should work because we have our weapon master that has the montage for each of our weapon and it's targeted to our weapon itself. So if we do play, we should be able to see that. Now I'm going to take the assault rifle. You can see here I have a muzzle flash now. We're going to drop that on the floor. Take the sniper rifle. You can see that there's an animation and the shotgun. Alright, so we're all good with this. So we have an animation for each of our weapon. So it's exactly what we wanted. One more thing, we're going to remove the shadow from our weapon. So as you can see here, if I take the shotgun, we have a floating shotgun here. So we're going to remove this. So it's very, very simple. We're going to go to our weapon, exactly, so our shotgun blueprint. And we're going to open the blueprint fully. And here we have access to the viewport. And in the viewport, we have the first person gun here. So we're going to search in the detail panel, shadow, and we're going to remove the cast shadow. I'm going to do the same thing with the sniper rifle. And we're going to go there, search for shadow, and I'm going to remove that as well. And we're going to repeat the same process for the assault rifle. Uncheck this and compile and save each of your weapon. And now if we go back, we are going to get the rifle and there's no more cast shadow on the ground. So I think that's look a little bit better. As you can see, nothing else. So thank you for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.